Hi there, Tad Argray from Marketing for Hippies, coming to you from the St. Catharines Mall. So I did a video a few days ago about marketing and the prostitution archetype. And so this is a sort of a part two, because I was having a conversation with somebody and they said, one of the things about the prostitute archetype, and again, this isn't talking about anyone's work or any judgments on anyone for any choices they're making on how they sustain themselves. This is just the archetype itself. And again, Caroline makes her take on the archetype is that the prostitution archetype is when we sell our integrity for security. And my friend pointed out there's something about that archetype that is not discerning. That is just looking for anyone you want to hire. I'll go home with anyone. And that lack of discernment, I'll take anyone as a client. They pointed out that's a kind of the same energy. Is when people say, do you need help? Well, it's not exactly what I do, but sure, I'll work with you. Sure, I can help you. Sure, I can contort myself out of my normal shape to be of service to you. When we work with clients and we just say yes to anyone, as long as they have some money, there's a real lack of discernment in this. And of course, this can lead to a lot of trouble in a business, because you get clients that are in no way a fit, clients who you can't help, clients who then are frustrated and give you bad word of mouth. So that's just another layer to put on this. And this is why we talk about filtering so much. If you check out my YouTubes, I got a whole playlist on filtering where we get really clear. Who do we want as clients? We all have people we know who their dating history is questionable. I have a friend, and every one of her exes I look at, it's the same guy. Ripped, tattoos, broken nose, shaved head. It's the same dude. And she keeps getting with these guys. And, guys who keep getting with the same kind of women, and women with women, men with men, etc. But people have bad dating choices. There's a lack of discrimination. And of course that has real consequences, not just on their life, but on the life of everyone around them who has to deal with all the drama. So it's costly, the lack of discrimination. It's costly to not be very clear about who's actually a fit for us. So anyways, there you go. There's a lot more to say about that archetype. I'll leave it there for now. But if you have any other thoughts, inspired by this video, please feel free to put them below. Really grateful for you stopping by as we try to figure out how to market in a way that not just feels good for us and feels good for them, but is going to feel good for future generations, isn't going to poison the well of goodwill in the marketplace, and isn't going to destroy us and our integrity in the process. So grateful to have you around. You can always subscribe by hitting the red button and then the bell icon, and you can follow me on Instagram at Marketing for Hippies.